Merry Christmas! Let's talk about today 3 ways that you can make the most of this holiday. The first thing is to focus on gratitude. Gratitude is the highest energetic frequency you can vibrate at, meaning that when you're in a position to feel so much gratitude, you can't help but magnetize and attract more things to be grateful for. In addition, if you look around, you have a lot to be grateful for. So I challenge you to hone in and focus on just that. The second strategy is to implement traditions or routines into your schedule so you have things that are fun, that light you up, that you can look forward to. This may look like baking with your family or eating the same breakfast or dancing to fun Christmas music. You get to make it your own. The third strategy is to pull away from social media a little bit and to tune in to what are your intentions and your expectations for the day. It can be tempting to scroll social media and to feel like you're missing out, or to feel like you should have done more, or that you should have received more. And then you end up in this downward spiral instead of enjoying the moment and the time with your family. So what I do is I like to determine what my expectations are for the day and set an intention around that. And the cool thing is it doesn't have to be something overcomplicated or complex. It could just be enjoying time with family. It could be being more still or intentional or being more mindful or resting. Whatever you want it to look like is what it gets to look like. So I invite you to enjoy your day your own way. Merry Christmas.